guys. Yeah, I think so. So that is all for coding ladies. We are mostly about empowering women in coding. Yeah. I think we also go beyond coding. Yes. It's not just about coding. We go beyond coding as well. Yeah. So our mission is to bridge the gender gap in the tech industry. You know that when it comes to tech, we have a lot of guys in the tech industry, which is which is unfair. I mean, I remember when I was in university, we're about less than 15 ladies in class. We're about 80, is that 84 people in class, and then the ladies in class were very low. So I mean, that was pretty bad. Yeah. So coding ladies, we aim to bridge that gender gap. We seek to have more females involved in tech. So that is what coding ladies is about. Um, so um our main reason for this meeting is basically to introduce you to the training that we are about to have. So with this training, it will basically equip you with the essential tech skills through hands-on projects. So you are going to work on projects. It's going to be both theoretical and then hands-on. So you'll be taught, and then you get the opportunity to also practice some stuff. Yeah. You also have the opportunity to engage, to collaborate and learn from experienced professionals. So the instructors that we have are very good when it comes to tech. So you being part of this training is going to give you the opportunity to network with these experienced professionals and also learn from them. So for 2024, we actually had a lot of courses in mind, but then these are the ones that we are going to go with. Web development. So for web development, we are going to you're going to learn how to build websites using HTML and CSS, which is like the basic block for web development. If you are here and you are interested in web development, you should know HTML and CSS. It's very, very essential. So for web development, we are going to cover HTML5 and CSS3. We're also going to cover JavaScript and then frameworks like React. Yeah, JavaScript is going to be a bit dicey, but I believe that we are going to get a hold of it. Yeah. And we are also going to do WordPress and server administration, and also data analytics and Python. So I believe that most of us here have registered for either one or all of these courses, and which is okay. Yeah. So how are we going to have the training? It is going to be strictly online. So if you live in an area where the network is bad, we advise that when it is time for class, you relocate to an area where you can have good network, because this training is going to be online. It is going to be a very interactive session. So we expect that when you join the class, you don't just keep mute, you participate in class discussions and all. We are also it is going to be a self-paced learning too, in the sense that even after class, you should be able to learn on your own. And also the classes are going to be recorded. So let's say someone couldn't join the class, um, maybe today, the next day the person would get the opportunity to have a recorded version of the class to help her. And also, you are going to work a lot on projects. Yes, when it comes to tech, it's not about reading, and all that. You are going to work a lot on projects, and it's going to be real world projects. By real world, we mean that you are going to build stuff that can be used in this world, not something, not a fictionary something. It's going to be a real world. And also mentorship, in the sense that there will be regular check-ins. You'll be there and we will just text you or call you to find out your progress, how you are doing, if you have any challenge, and how we can help you and all that. So this is how the training is going to be delivered. So As part of the training too, you'll be given assignment, regular assignment. Um, I'm pretty sure some of us here don't like assignments, but working when you are given assignment, it helps you a lot. It helps you refresh your brain. Has someone raised a hand? I can't see the it's a hand raised. Please, I'll take all questions
Okay.
after. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. So you are going to be given a lot of assignments to help you refresh your brains on whatever will be taught in class. And I've already spoken about the projects that you are going to work on. You are going to be working, like, it's going to be consistent to help you in your learning curve. That is going to be the training is going to be for a month. So for each of these modules, web development will be run for a month, same for WordPress and same for data analytics. And so for each of them, you are going to be working on real world projects. Then after the training, you are going to be given certificate. This certificate will prove to the world that yes, you took this course and yes, you are very good at it. So if anyone has a job or if anyone wants to give you an internship opportunity, you can use that. Yeah, so what do we expect from our participants? For all those who have registered, we expect that you dedicate your time and effort to complete all assignments and projects and also to join class. Yes. The training is free of charge. I know some of you have questions regarding the commitment fee. That will be clarified soon, but this training is free. Yes. So in as much as it is free, we we advise that you dedicate your time and effort for this. Most companies do not offer these free trainings. They require that you pay a huge amount of money. So if Coding Ladies is coming with this free training, then you need to be really committed to this. We also expect that you actively engage with your peers, all those that you are in class with, your instructors, and like you participate in discussions and all that. Um, when you join a class, okay, we don't want you to keep mute. If you are facing a challenge, okay, you let the instructor know, you communicate with your peers, collaborate with them. It would help you in your learning. And also, yes, it is good to stay curious. Okay, tech is very broad. There are a whole lot of things that you will not get. There are a whole lot of things that will be difficult for you to get. So stay curious. We are expecting you to stay curious. Ask all the questions that you need to know about the module that you registered in. And also, we'll be glad if you can give us constructive feedback, constructive criticism. Okay, if you think we are not doing something well, feel free to tell us. Okay, in as much as you are feeling free, be mindful of how you communicate your feedback with us. Okay, and all these feedback will be taken into consideration for future programs or events. Yeah, so for this year's training, these are our facilitators or instructors. I believe they are all on the call. So we have Mr. Abuaji Nicholas, who will take us through server administration. We have Perby Onassis, who will take us through WordPress. We have Israel, who will take us through web development, and then Jesse, who will take us through data analytics and Python. So if you are here and you registered for any of these training, these are your facilitators. I believe when we start the training, you get to interact with them more. Yes, so I believe I've already spoken about the certificates after the module. After each module, you'll be given a certificate. You would have to pay a fee of 50 cedis. The fee is going to secure your spot in the program. Okay, I mean, we have a whole lot of people registering and all that. So if you pay that 50 cedis, you are basically securing your spot in the program. And for you not to make the 50 cedis go scot free. That is where your commitment and dedication comes in. So don't let your 50 cities go scot free. Make time for this training. Um, Group access. I think we are all in the group already. And for those of us who are yet to make payment, this is the link. I believe it has already been posted in the group or something. But if you want to make payment, the payment is for the 50 cedis. This is the link that you pay to secure your spot. So, future plans and opportunities. So, in the future, we are looking at providing job opportunities for our ladies. In the tech world, we have many opportunities and they are very competitive. Okay, so we are looking at partnering with tech companies so that our ladies can get jobs after our trainings, and also we are also looking at internship programs. I think already we have two of our members doing an internship, which is very good. So we hope to get more females enrolled in our internship program, either with a company or even with coding ladies. Um, in 2025, this is what we want to do. So there, there, are, there are going to be 2 semesters, and for each semester, we are going to have a fully planned out training for our ladies to benefit from. And these trainings are going to be specified on each tech areas. We have many areas in tech, so we are looking at um, running trainings for the various areas in tech so that no one is left out. Yes, someone might like web development, someone might not like it, someone would like mobile development, someone would not like it. So we are looking at having more specialized courses for our ladies. And also next year too, we are looking at giving internship of opportunities after each semester. So after each semester, if you want to work with a company, or if you even want to work with coding ladies, yes, you'll be given the opportunity to do that. Yeah, so I think I should have mentioned this at first. So we have Coding Ladies Academy. That is like the general name. Okay. So under Coding Ladies Academy, we have the Coding Ladies Club. That is where we all come in. So basically, it is just like the Coding Ladies Academy. We seek to empower women in tech through mentorship, collaboration, and continuous learning. We seek to offer support to our ladies even via our training and all that, and through internship opportunities, and yeah, all that. So this is just a gallery of some of our amazing ladies who are part of coding ladies. So you can just take a look at them. I believe some of us are already in this meeting, so you can wave at yourself. Yeah. And yeah, so this is the team. Yeah. So we have Laurentia, who is the executive director. We have Claude, the Director of Education. We have Perby, who is a community manager. We have Tracy, the lead instructor. And yes, our two interns, we have Gloria and Georgette. Gloria from TTU and Georgette from University of Cape Coast. So as time moves on, we hope to see more ladies. Yeah. So that will be all for my presentation. If there are any questions.